Hello everyone, welcome to Samruddhi Coaching Academy, Davangere. So now my name is Kirti Kumar. I am going to discuss about bryophytes. So what is bryophytes? So bryophytes is derived from the two words. So one is bryon and another one is phyta. So the bryophytes is derived from the two words. So one is bryon and another one is phyton. Phyton means plants and bryon means mosses. So mosses. So what is bryophytes means? They are flowerless plants and seedless plants. So bryophytes are the flowerless and seedless plants. So these are also called as bryophytes is also called as amphibians of the plant kingdom. So amphibians of the plant kingdom is also called as a bryophytes. Why the bryophytes are called as amphibians of the plant kingdom? So here they live in soil but need water for the sexual reproductions. So they need to grow soil but complete their life cycle without presence of water. And the what are all the characteristics habitat of a bryophytes is they occur in a damp, humid and shady localities. So body is differentiated into that of algae, and it is a thallus-like structure. So prostate attached to the body. So the lack of true roots. So lack of true roots. So presence of rhizoids, root-like structures, stem-like structures, and then leaf-like structures. So these are the observations of bryophytes. And the plant body is haploid to produce the gametes. So that is called as gametophyte. So why the plants are called as gametophytes means they produce gamete. They produce capable to have a produce of gametes. So that is called as gametophyte. And next, so the male sex organ of bryophytes, that is called as what are all the sex organs of bryophytes is the sex organ of bryophytes is called as antheridium, and the female sex organ of bryophytes is called as archegonium. So these are the sexual reproductions occurring in the bryophytes. So male sex organ is antheridium. That antheridium is produces biflagellated antheroids. So within the female sex organ, so female sex organ produces archegonium. That female sex organ produces archegonium, that is flask shaped and produces a single egg. So it produces a single egg, and it when the why the biflagellated antheroids are called as biflagellated means they have the fusion of male and female gametes. So that's why. So bryophytes are called as zygotes do not undergo the meiosis divisions immediately. They produce of a multicellular body called as sporophytes. So the plant body of bryophytes is called as sporophyte. And what are the importance of bryophytes? So in importance of bryophytes now study ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it some provides the mosses, herbaceous mammals and the food for the herbaceous plants. So herbaceous means herbivorous. Herbivorous means plant eaters. So plant eaters, it used as a food. Herbaceous plant eaters used as a food. Example, sphagnum and mosses, liverworts. So these are used as a food. And the ecological importance because of their role in a plant sexuation. So what are the ecological importance in bryophytes means the important role in a plant sexuation level to small masses to the growing of forest areas. So that is called as succession. And